Look what I got.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about your day and
Today we're heading down to Unionville to my doctor's and getting my physical done. And this is again one of those things that OHIP covers. So I made sure I had my health card on me. So we're headed down there, getting my physical done, and they just kind of check everything, making sure everything's all right. Then they usually request blood tests, and a lot of these blood tests, especially when you're over 50, some of them they're checking for anything and everything that could possibly go wrong. And with a simple blood test, some of these things can be prevented by early warning signs in your blood. So you have to get the physical done, get your blood test done, then I go back down again, I think, if there's anything wrong with the blood tests. So I'll keep you in touch. Stay tuned. So let's get down to Unionville. After that, we're going to do a food review, and I think we're going to go to Dairy Queen. They have the candy floss milkshake. Somebody tweeted it out to me last night, which is very cool. Thank you very much. And it gave me an idea of what to do for today's food review. And then we're going to do a surprise visit on the drone guy, because once again, he doesn't reply to texts, he doesn't reply to emails, and whether the drone is fixed or not, depending on what his excuse is, depends on whether or not I'd said, you know what, just give me the drone, I'll take it somewhere else. And the fact that he's not replying to anything, it's like dropping your car off, because the drone was expensive. It's like dropping your car off to a company that's like an hour drive away from your house, and then you texting them or emailing them or phoning them, and they never get back to you, and they never tell you what's going on with your car. So that's what's going on with my drone. I have no idea if he's fixed it. I have no idea if he's trying to fix it. I have no idea if he's left the frickin' country with my drone. Okay, let's have an exciting day.
Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find us here.
Made it down to Unionville in record time. I think that was like 45 minutes or less. That was good. Nice. Zero traffic, zero problems, and there's a mosquito in here. Just waiting in the waiting room. Okay, all done. The doctor's office. They did diagnose the wrist, tennis elbow. So whenever, she said, even when I'm driving, what it does is it makes the muscle think that it ends here, allowing the tendons here to heal. And so it fakes this muscle into thinking that it ends here, which was a really cool way of saying it, because it didn't make sense why the wrist or the band helps. So I got a whole thing of blood work to do. So we're gonna go do blood testing. I think I can just go anywhere for that. I also have this 50% off. Oh, it's Hudson's Bay. Excuse me while I burp. Hudson's Bay 50% off frames. Select designer frames. That means the one you like won't be 50% off. That's the way it goes in this crazy world of ours. Okay, so let's do a surprise visit to the drone guy. Just realized there's a Dairy Queen right here in downtown, historic Unionville. So let's set up our cameras because they should be open. Open the trunk. So it's right there. Nice. I don't have to go looking for one. Okay, all set up. Putting the camera bag down. Camera 1, 2, mic. Light 1, 2. That is almost on its way out. This Wendy's diffuser. I love my Wendy's diffuser. I have to go to Wendy's and buy something and ask them to give me an extra wrapper. Because the Wendy's wrapper, that's lasted like, I don't know, 2 years? Year and a half, maybe? So everything's all set up. I'm going to go grab the milkshake, come back, sit in the car. Let's go. I'll take you with me. What's all the talking, man? Just go. Just do it. The Unionville Arms and Pub and Grill.
Candy milkshake.
Sorry, the cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Milkshake.
Yes, please.
You
Small.
want the sauce or you just want the pieces candy?
Is it the cotton candy one, right?
The milkshake.
Milkshake or blizzard.
Oh, is it a blizzard?
Yeah.
But we can,
No, let's do the blizzard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, house, right?
Right.
Okay. So many pieces?
That's funny. I kept thinking it was a milkshake, but it's a blizzard. Candy cane blizzard. Cotton candy. If I say candy cane in this video, I'm going to lose my mind. Jeez. Okay, let's shoot this. I got it small. I'm being good. I have no idea how you'd put cotton candy into ice cream, but they did it. Way to go. Very cold. Wow. Just finished the blizzard. The blizzard is all done. I kept thinking it was a milkshake for some reason. I don't know. So I'm cutting raw high, shutting off light 1, shutting off light 2, just to show you how dark it is in here without my lighting. All right, so vlog, we got to get down to go check out, see if we can get our drone back, and I'll be right with you. I got to say goodbye to these guys, okay? Hang on. Well, I'm down at the drone guy's house. I'm gonna go in, see if my drone is ready, and if it isn't, I'll make a decision on the spot whether or not I'm just gonna ask him for my drone, whether it's fixed or not, and take it somewhere else, because this is ridiculous. Look what I got, and it's repaired 100%. Good to go. I even brought myself an ND filter. Just realized, almost out of gas. I almost passed the gas station even though my gas warning bell went off like 20 minutes ago. Not good. But gas here is $1.84 per liter. Press for receipt. Yeah, I can gas up today without my arm causing me a problem. $46. Thank you, come again. Let's go home.